Good afternoon, guys. This is Jinx. Welcome to my channel. I normally show you my execution blotter where I made a profit, but today I just want to talk you through my thinking. So, today I was in the class. I'll still show you my execution blotter because I made profit. When I make loss and I'm crying, I wouldn't show you my blotter. So today I was sitting in the class and I made it was a busy OSCE, so I did a quick setup on gold and made like a $60 profit. It's like, and on my personal account and on the MetaTrader where I have my 5%ers. So I made a profit of on one account 41. I did the same setup for all the accounts. Maybe some seconds it's different, but I did the same setup. And on my 25K account, what's that? History. So I made a profit of again $56. I just gave a very short, like I just took 0.01. I didn't take bigger risk because I was in the class. And then in my FTMO, I made a profit of $65. So, guys, this is just like doing a setup and carrying on with your life, and it's making money, which we have to literally work. I was in commercial lending, when people call for money, we used to call the treasury and they used to arrange for funds. So we had bilateral and syndicate accounts. So for when the bilateral guys call for a drawdown, we call the markets and get the funds arranged, and we were in back end processing the payments. We are constantly handling so many currencies, cutoff times, but I never thought of trading all this year. So I stopped my financial career. I had 20 years of financial career, but I stopped it 12 years ago. But I'm just looking at all these. Once again, it's bringing back the old memories. Okay, I want to talk you through my strategy. So we are looking at GBPJPY. So for a long period of time, guys, this thing, from here I'm observing it had a W pattern, and it used to always stop at the red line. So it has a W pattern. So this is 4th hourly. If you go to the hourly chart, it's a bit more clear. So yeah, it used to come like this, touch at the red point, come do a W, touch at the red point. So all these days I was buying here or here and sell it when it goes up, buy here, sell when it goes up. So I was doing all this. So basically over here there were sellers who used to push the price down. Then there were sellers still, they couldn't push as much. So the sellers were losing control and the buyers were slowly gaining control. And eventually yesterday it broke the red line and now it's going up. I missed the opportunity because I was studying. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a price alert for it to come back and test the the previous place, and then I'm going to enter the trade. So I'm not going to wait for it to come and touch all the way to 195 where the red line is. I'm just going to take somewhere here which came 196.04 0401. Let's put a price alert. What did I say the number was? I'm so forgetful. So somewhere here 196.0401. Okay, so I'm gonna set a price alert for this currency. So 196 spot 0401. So when it comes and touches that point, I get a price alert. I'm just gonna take a buy trade. That's my idea. I hope this is useful to you, and have a good day, guys. Hope you're a blessing to everyone you meet. Love you all. Bye.